Welcome back to Morning Live. Now, just in time for slower fall coziness, we have beauty and lifestyle expert Anika Elliott. She's here to take us through the steps of the popular TikTok and Instagram trend of actually not putting on your makeup, but removing it. So this is a new trend.
Yes.
How did this happen?
We're seeing so much more of that. I feel like people are romanticizing just basic routines these days, and just the idea of winding down. I certainly need this for me on my busy days, and so we just want to show you some of the key points in the unready routine.
For the unready routine, that's what they're calling it, right?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, so first of all, we have many products.
Yes.
How important is it to take your makeup off at the end of the day?
Always, people, definitely. And there's something satisfying about just seeing that makeup melt off, the liner and everything just melt off. And I prefer a cleansing oil as opposed to wipes. You know, sometimes you're in a rush, you have to do it, but this is just a lot less abrasive on your skin. The Consonant one is one of my faves, and this is actually going to attach to the oil in your skin and the oil in the makeup to help to remove it a lot easier. So opt for that, and then you could do like a wet towel or some of the, reusable wipes there as well.
Awesome. I love that I obviously wear a lot of makeup for this job.
Yeah.
I find sometimes those irritate my eyes. How is this one for that?
Well, you want to tend to avoid, certainly, if you do have, prone to irritation. This one is really good. I use it on my eye makeup. It gets everything off, no problem. I don't have any issues there. But obviously test it first if it's something that you're going to experience sometimes.
Awesome.
Okay. Double cleansing.
Yes.
This is not just about actually washing your face twice. You got to use two separate products, so an oil-based one and then a water-based one. Regardless if you have makeup on, it's good for removing sunscreen, for example. I'm really liking the Bioma jelly cleanser right now. It's just really easy to get the makeup on all the impurities off your face. So that's a good tip. And don't forget to use your wrist towels here for when you're washing your face. You don't want it to drip down your arm.
That is so helpful. I'm always like moving my sleeves up and trying to get it off.
Major.
Wrist towels.
Yes,
incredible.
and I always like cute little things for my hair as well, keeping that back. Okay, so cleanser, toner.
Amazing.
Favorite, you want to just rebalance your pH level. I love this Dr. Belmer one that's from the Face Shop. This is a total youth toner. That's really great for clarifying your skin. Must have for the routine. And then your serum.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
I'm bringing you a classic, iconic brand here today, Emily.
Yep.
Elizabeth Arden, of course. This is the new Advanced Light Ceramide Capsules.
Amazing.
Just very lightweight. They're biodegradable, which I love. Great for travel as well. And then it's just gonna give you some nourishing. It's gonna add a natural radiant glow to your skin, firm your skin as well. And I put the serum on with my gua sha tool. So this is really good to just, again, romanticize the routine.
Make it fancy. Make it something you want to do at night, right? If you're like, oh, I have to do it, you're never going to do it.
I know. And this is a really great touch as well if you're using the ceramides. You can't put on too much because it's a perfect concentrated dose.
And it just comes in these little tiny capsules, which I believe also helps with like the product going bad, right?
This is it. So you're using it and in the precise way that it has to be, and that's perfect, preserving all of that. So you can get that at the Elizabeth Arden counters across the country. And then moisturizing. So where we're wanting to restore our skin. This is one of my long-term faves, La Roche-Posay, the Lipicar Balm.
Oh, yes.
Listen to me. This is the A++ M. This is their Proud Support limited edition bottle. I should mention, they're always so committed to the Canadian Cancer Society, oncology. They actually designed this bottle in conjunction with an 8-year-old cancer survivor,
That's
Tristan.
Incredible. Oh my goodness.
So love this. This bottle comes out October 1st. But it's great for face and body. And it's going to be soothing, calming if you've got really dry skin going into fall.
That's me, 100% going into the winter.
And
so flaky.
It's good for sensitive skin too. So you put it on your face or your body, and it's got niacinamide, shea butter. I love this. You can't forget moisturizing when you're unready routine. You're good to go. And again, that's a good product for that. October 1st for the limited bottle, first of all.
Okay, a few seconds left. What do we have back here?
Okay, so we got some nice little masks and stuff as well if you just want to soothe your skin. I love a spray, a mist for the end as well. Bioma has a good one. Cucumber, always good for cooling. Again, you just want to feel a little bit better when you're ending that routine.
Awesome. Just nice and romantic misting. All right, where can we find your information on all these products?
Always on my Instagram first, at Anika Elliott. That's where I list everything, in case you're wondering.
Perfect. We'll get your information up on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive. More Morning Live coming up for you. I have